We have not died down. Still we stand. Fanogi. Blow the kulu. Summon the protectors and defenders of these lands and these seas. And like Harao, let them heed the call. Let our Manhobin and our Manumku stand side by side, shoulder to shoulder, resolute, resilient, ready. We are not the only ones who know how special and blessed our islands truly are. For it was Harao who said, if we are poor as they tell us, then what do they search for? If they didn't have need of us, they would not expose themselves to many perils to establish themselves in our midst. Mr. Speaker, they have established themselves in our midst, but it is our people who face the perils. Our island's strategic importance to the Spanish, the Americans, the Japanese, to the conglomerates and corporations. That strategic importance, Mr. Speaker, has many times brought more sickness than security, more poison than prosperity, and more exploitation than economic benefit. We have learned from the drums of mustard gas in Mongmong and the contamination of Agatna Springs and Agatna Swamp. We have learned from the asbestos at SRF. We have learned from Agent Orange. We have learned from the Ordot landfill and the Lonfit River. We have learned from the PFAS, the PCBs, and the DDT. We have learned from the songs gone silent. We have learned from the atomic bomb tests conducted thousands of miles away. And the same winds that filled the sails of our ancestors' canoes carried cancers to our islands. History is like the campaign promises we're going to hear this year. It always repeats itself. We have learned, Mr. Speaker, said malati tautauta. So when someone comes along and dangles a few dollars in front of our faces and says there's treasure at the bottom of the sea, that sounds like a fish story, a fairy tale. And Sirena ain't biting. The same waters, the same waves, the same currents that carried our ancestors' canoes will carry the sediment plumes, the toxic chemicals, the toxic contaminants, the pollution to our fish, our friends, and our families. That's what the science says, Mr. Speaker. But a day, so many of our people would rather listen to social media. But does it matter what the science says when the money talks so much louder? The deep sea mining corporations, after extensive lobbying, Mr. Speaker, and by lobbying, I mean millions of dollars in campaign donations, they have successfully made their commercial interests the U.S. national policy. And this isn't just a request for interest. This isn't just a request for information. This is a threat to our way of life, our families, our food. So blow the kulu, summon the protectors and defenders of these lands and these seas. And like Harao, let them heed the call. Let our Manhobin and our Manumku stand side by side, shoulder to shoulder, resolute, resilient, ready. Let this resolution be a reckoning. Let the Congress and the President and the nation know, while they continue to deny us sovereignty, today we have solidarity. And let that be a sign, a symbol. After the history we have suffered, we have not died down. Still we stand, and still we fight. Fanogi. Mr. Speaker.